Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by defining the exact capability you need and why it matters, then secure immediate access. Identify model class and minimum performance targets, and estimate compute, GPU hours, RAM, storage, so you can provision. Once done, confirm licensing and data permissions. Make sure you can legally use weights and training data. Next, choose a distribution source or provider that matches your license and compute. You'll act quickly now to avoid dead ends later. You next acquire the model and prepare it for your environment. If downloading weights, validate checksums and confirm model architecture to match your runtime. If using an API, request keys, enable quotas, and test a small query. Then prepare your data pipeline, tokenization, batching, and any augmentation. Ensure formats align with the model's expected inputs. Once integrated, run a smoke test on a tiny subset to measure latency and sample out. You finish by deploying and verifying the model in its production setting, making sure auto-scaling and monitoring are active. Run full validation for accuracy, safety checks, latency, and per-call cost, then iterate on optimization steps like quantization or batching. Once live, monitor logs and telemetry for regressions and user feedback. Make small, controlled updates. If something breaks, check mismatched tokenizers, memory exhaustion, and dependency versions first. These are the single most common failures to resolve quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.